These are the colors I used for painting strawberry. Cray Gel red and green. It looks like this. I applied base color already. Let's make strawberry together. Take Cray Gel. This time I made one big strawberry. You could make smaller one too, but smaller it gets, more work required. Place the Cray Gel onto the nail. Now use silicone blush. Push push. Useful tip. When you use silicone brush, wet the brush with alcohol. It make it easier to make shape. Still doesn't look like a strawberry. Trust the process. Push push. Slowly getting there. Almost. Now time to make some seeds. Use a toothpick or something small and sharp. This is kind of satisfying. Pushing and making seeds pockets. I could do this all day. Don't forget the sides. Looking good. Time to make green leafy top of the strawberry. Pick some Cray Gel. Place it on top. Push and shape with silicone brush. Using edge of silicone brush makes it easier. Getting there. Cut. What I like about Cray Gel is it is fixable until you finally cure under UV lamp. You can take all your time till you like it. This used to be non-existent. I had to use acrylic powder. With acrylic powder, you've got to be quick. If you take too long, acrylic powder will cure itself. It's time sensitive. So get your Cray Gel. It is a great product. More info's on video description. Looks good. Let's cure. I'll make little stem. Push, push. Cute. Let's add some colors. Use thin brush. Let's fill the seed pockets with yellow color gel. Looks good. Now I'm using transparent brown color to make it looks real. More brown colors. I'm adding little yellow to the leafy part. Look at this shine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.